loves, welcome back to the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a collaboration with Discovering Naturals. I'm pretty sure that you guys know who she is. She has a big YouTube channel on here and she's been educating us for the longest while about hair care and so on. She has two lovely daughters, not to mention that all three of them have gorgeous heads of hair, and I'm very excited to be collaborating with her. Discovering Naturals, she has such a great message on her YouTube channel. She has been empowering her daughters to love her hair, to love their hair, teaching them how to style their hair and so on, as well as she has been coming on here with DIYs and hairstyles and discussional topics and so on. So I'm really excited to be doing this collaboration with her today. Now for our collaboration, what we're going to do, we are going to be styling our hair with products that we have made ourselves. And yeah, these are the results of mine. I am so pleased. So very pleased. So I'm going to walk you guys through my process on how I styled my hair. Oh, also be sure to subscribe to Discovering Naturals channel if you haven't done so. Like her video, check it out. I'll be linking it in the description box down below. Okay, let's get into this video. Now, the first thing that I did in styling my hair using our own products was by doing a hot oil treatment. Now I did a hot oil treatment using the My Crown of Curls hair growth elixir. I heated it up and I applied it all throughout my hair. I did a whole Instagram tutorial on the My Crown of Curls Instagram page. After that, I washed my hair using the bentonite clay. So after I washed my hair, I used the bentonite clay, and I have tutorials for all of these up on my channel. The next thing that I did was that I deep conditioned my hair and then I went into styling my hair. Now I create my own products, so I have my own hair care line, and I have been working diligently on creating a leave-in conditioner and a curl cream. So those were the products that I was testing out, truly testing out on clean hair today on this twist out. So what I did was that on damp hair, like damp, almost dry hair, I applied my leave-in conditioner, then I applied my curl cream, and then I applied the My Crown of Curls Peppermint Luxury Butter, and I sealed that all in. So that's the process that I use to moisturize my hair: leave-in conditioner, curl cream, and then a butter to seal it all in. And when I was finished with that, I massage my scalp with the hair growth elixir as well, because there is a hair growth challenge that's going on my channel now. So after my twists were fully dry, I took them down, and the definition that I got was surreal, unreal. Like, I can't believe that I created products that did that. So this is my hair right now, on and popping. I was able to separate my hair not only once but many times. And yeah, so excited about this. Not only did I get definition, I got shine. I knew exactly what I was putting into my hair, and from knowing what I was putting into my hair, I was to be able to achieve these results from not a store-bought product but some stuff that I made for myself. I'm really happy about that. So I'm really glad that we did this video together, this collab video together, so that we can showcase both of our styles that we got from using our products. Amazing. So guys, I hope that you guys really did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe, of course, to the My Crown of Curls channel. Share this video with a friend. And yeah, tell us what your DIY products are, some products that you like to do. Do you like to deep condition your hair using avocados? Those are great, by the way. So let me know in the comment sections down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.